Thank you for being a part of Hydrolife family. We are here to explain to you how to use the 5 different types of water which you can see on your Hydrolife machine. Let's understand each of the functions individually. Let's start with the purified water. So when you click on purified water, your screen turns green. This water you can use any time of the day, okay, which we already have been drinking. Let's understand the drinking water functions. At this stage, the pH water that you get is 7.5 to 8.5. Now you have to continue to drink this water for up to 1 week. Initially, your consumption will be pH 7.5 to 8.5 under drinking water functions. While you are drinking this water, you have to adapt your body to this. You have to get acclimatized. Once you feel normal and once you feel positive, slowly then you can move to the next stage, which is the cooking water function, where your screen appears to be dark blue. At this stage, you can use this function for 2 purposes. 1 being for drinking and 2 for your cooking purposes. The pH that you get at this function is 8.5 to 9.5. This water can be used for your daily cooking purpose as well. You can use it for making your rice, you can use it for soups, you can use it for biryanis, for every cooking purpose. The third stage is the hydrogen water option. Here you get a pH of 9.5 to 10.5 palatable hydrogen water. At this stage, the water that you're drinking is the most therapeutic water with a ppb of more than 1000 and a negative ORP of up to 800 mV. This water has multifold benefits on your health, for your hydration and for your overall immunity of your body. Let's understand the cleaning function which is there on the screen. The cleaning function is operational after usage of every 70 to 90 liters of water. Let's understand how to use this function when the screen turns red. You have to click on H2 water. The screen is purple right now. After that, you have to click on dispense. Once you click on dispense, you have to press the cleaning function for 3 seconds. The screen is now red. Once the screen turns red, leave it. Say approximately around 800 ml water will be dispensed out. So at this moment, the electrolyzer cell is being cleansed. It's gone on your auto cleaning mode. Wait for until 800 ml of water is being dispensed. This process will continue for few seconds. Once this stops, the screen will normalize and turn to purple again. Once the screen appears purple, you have to click on dispense and your machine stops. Once the machine stops, you can normalize and continue to use the water for drinking. The screen is now purple, like I said. You can click on dispense, the machine stops. Now, after this, wait for a few seconds and you can normalize to drink the water. Here it is. Let's now talk about the 5th water option, that is sanitizing. When you click on this option, the screen turns red. Please note, this water is not meant to be consumed. The water that you get with this option is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. You can use this water for every and any kind of skin care. This water is specially used for treating your eczema, for cracked skin, for acne prone skin, for psoriasis and so forth. You can also use this water for cleaning objects in your households, for domestic cleaning purpose and so forth. Let's understand this visually, what I'm trying to say. For example, I click on the drinking water button and I dispense. Now I stop, the screen turns red. At this moment you have to wait. Allow the screen to normalize. Now you can move to the other water function and dispense and continue to use. Let's stop. Again, allow the machine to wait because it's going on the auto cleaning mode. It will again resume and you can so forth use the machine. I hope this is well understood. Thank you so much.